Imagine you're at a party, enjoying the conversation, when someone challenges you with a tricky math question. Instead of fumbling for your phone, you instantly calculate the answer in your head. This video will teach you easy mental math tricks that make you look like a genius. Multiplying by 11 is a handy mental math trick for quick calculations. Let's say you're trying to figure out 11 times a two-digit number, like your age or a price. Take 43 times 11. Simply add the two digits together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then place that sum right between the original digits to get 473. Now try 57 times 11. Add 5 plus 7, which gives 12. Put the 2 between 5 and 7 and carry the 1 to the tens place, making it 6 plus 1 equals 7, so you get 627. Trick number 2 is perfect for squaring any number that ends in 5. Imagine you're landscaping a garden that's 15 feet by 15 feet. To find the total area, you need to calculate 15 squared. Here's how it works. Take the number 65 as our example. First, identify the first digit, which is 6. Next, multiply that first digit by the next higher number. 6 times 7 equals 42. Finally, simply append 25 to your result. 42, 25 gives you 4,225. Let's verify this works. 65 times 65 equals 4,225. The trick gives the same result. Welcome to the 9 trick, a clever finger method for multiplying any single-digit number by 9. This works great at parties when you need to impress friends with mental math. Start by holding up both hands in front of you, with all 10 fingers spread out and ready. Each hand represents 5 fingers, giving you 10 fingers total to work with. Let's try 9 times 3. To find the answer, we'll fold down the third finger from the left. Starting from the left pinky, count to the third finger and fold it down toward your palm. Now count the fingers to the left of the folded finger. That's 2 fingers. And count the fingers to the right of the folded finger. That's 7 fingers. Putting it together, the tens digit is 2 and the ones digit is 7, giving you 27. The 9 trick works because when you fold down the nth finger, you get n-in tens and 10-in ones, which always multiplies to 9n. Sometimes percentages can be tricky to calculate mentally, especially when the percentage is larger than the number itself. But there's a clever trick that makes it much easier by simply reversing the numbers. For example, imagine you're at a restaurant with a $50 bill and you want to add an 8% tip. Calculating 8% of 50 might take some mental effort, but here's the trick. You can reverse the numbers and calculate it as 50% of 8 instead. Now, 50% of 8 is much simpler. Half of 8 is just 4, so the tip is $4. Let's try another example, 15% of 20. Reversing gives us 20% of 15, which is 3. Much easier than calculating 15% directly. Remember, this trick works best when the percentage number is larger than the base number. It turns a harder calculation into an easy one. Imagine you're at the store adding up prices on a long receipt. Instead of adding each item one by one, which takes forever, you can pair numbers that add up to 10. For 1 through 9, pair 1 with 9, 2 with 8, 3 with 7, and 4 with 6. Each pair adds to 10. The middle number 5 stands alone. So we have 4 pairs that each equal 10, plus the middle 5. That's 4 times 10 is 40, plus 5 is 45. The same total as adding them all up one by one. When splitting money or any number evenly by 5, there's a quick mental math trick. Imagine you're dividing $125 among 5 friends. Each should get an equal share. The trick is simple. Multiply the number by 2, then move the decimal point 1 position to the left. Let's see it in action. First, multiply 125 by 2 to get 250. Then move the decimal point 1 position to the left, which gives us 25. So $125 divided by 5 equals $25 per person. Let's try another example to make sure the pattern works. Take 75 divided by 5. Multiply by 2, 150. Move the decimal left 15. Perfect, it works every time for dividing by 5. As we wrap up our journey through mental math tricks, remember that practice is the key to mastery. These techniques aren't just parlor tricks for impressing friends. They're tools that sharpen your mental math skills and build genuine confidence in handling numbers every day. Picture yourself at a restaurant calculating a 15% tip or dividing a dinner bill among friends. With regular practice, these calculations become second nature, making you not just faster, but more confident in your mathematical abilities. So keep practicing these tricks regularly. Start small, build up your speed, and watch how your mental math abilities grow stronger over time. You've got this.